Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to try this style on. I've actually introduced this style to you before. I've introduced color black and 27 and black and 30. This one is black and gray. So if you find this video entertaining or interesting, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And also if you're interested in any of my products or this one, I'll leave my details in the comment section down below so you can contact me and I'll send it to you.
Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you. Tell myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the truth. Oh, now I'm on the ground. I know the truth. I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you. Tell myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I had myself for you. I know the truth.
So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.